Welcome to episode 2 of MSG's pre-World Cup vlog, La Première Ligne. After the glitz and glamour of Jamie Roberts' testimonial last time out, I thought there was only one place I could really come to top it. So here I am in Paris, France's capital, for episode 2. Hope you enjoy. In this episode, Mark and I will be talking a little bit more about some of the operational things you can expect from your trip. Some of the kit, a little bit of information on the events, and obviously, as always, a little bit of fun.
A lot of Americans know that they are hosting the World Cup in 2031. They're the USA for all those fans who travel with us on the other side of the business for the club tours and the school trips. We are North American specialists, so we'll be able to take this ball around the cities and scope out some of the venues that are going to be used in 2031 was a real honour.
Mayberry. This is how I wear Mayberry. First time ever to America. Looking forward to seeing everything.
Do it again, but you got looks pretty right.
This is how I wear Mayberry. First time ever to America. Looking forward to doing things. I don't know.
The USA tour continues. Here we are with the official Rugby World Cup ball to be used in France. This ball has been everywhere. It started at Heathrow, it's been to Nashville, it's been to Austin. Now here we are at Mile High Stadium in Denver, Colorado. We're making our last day here in the Western State before we head across to New York tomorrow and then up to Massachusetts. So my name's Mark, I'm at the Empire Stadium. Great to see you. See you in France. We are holding the official Rugby World Cup ball, France 2023.
Am I really?
That's the one.
Nice.
You'll see that on TV, but I need a prediction from you. What country is going to win the tournament?
You just said France, right?
It's in France.
Who's playing?
France, New Zealand, Australia, South Africa, England, Argentina, Samoa, Tonga, all the big guys.
Ooh,
But not
with some more. Let's go France. I'm gonna go with France. I have to do it, but I gotta move the shark, my friend.
Very good evening to you, live from New York. Now they say this is the original home of MSG, the Gardens, Madison Square Gardens. Well, I'm Mark from MSG, bringing a very special episode of La Première Ligne this evening. We're taking the official rugby ball from France 2023 on a very unique tour all around America. And we've arrived in New York City this evening with the Welsh boys from Bedlog Rugby Club, talking to some natives and some Americans of what rugby means to them and what they even know about the game of rugby. Take a look at what we found tonight.
Times Square, New York, we found a new rugby fan. First time
touching the rugby ball.
How does it feel, my man?
It feels amazing. Like, I feel like I want to just get up and just run towards somebody and just tackle them. Nah, this is amazing. I ain't gonna hold you.
Well, this is the official match ball for the Rugby World Cup in France 2023. Right. And we are taking it on a tour of the USA. Times
Really?
Square, yeah, you are one of the very few people in this world, in North America, to even touch that ball.
Oh, hold up. We gotta repeat that. Hold up.
Who's going to win it? Give us your prediction. Who's going to win the tournament next year?
Oh shit. Oh man. I would say that's cliche going with Messi, right? That's damn, Ronaldo. I don't even know my players like that. I'm not even gonna hold you. I only know Messi, right? Messi. No, that's not even, that's soccer. God damn, rugby? Oh shit, I'm in a whole different sport. I gotta do my homework. I don't even know. I gotta do my homework. This is the first time I've seen this, like up in person. I'm thinking it's soccer.
Wales, for sure.
Go Wales. Wales! Wales are definitely going to win the World Cup.
Italy, win Italy from World Cup.
Argentina's gonna win the World Cup.
Argentina.
Argentina's going to win the World Cup.
New Zealand.
Be Ireland.
Ireland's going to win the Rugby World Cup.
I think Ireland's going to win the World Cup.
All Blacks got that.
All Blacks are going to win the World Cup.
North America, South Africa's going to win. England will win the Rugby World Cup.
Australia's gonna take it.
I love rugby because when I play wing, I get to burn everyone on the outside. Put the piece out like I did to have more practice. Yeah, don't come back here. Get him on the camera. Yes.
Is it truth in that?
Yeah. What are we doing? What happened? Why you love rugby?
Why do you love rugby?
I love rugby because I like hitting people. And I like taking my anger out on people. Let's go All Blacks. We got this.
What an adventure it's been. This ball has survived all the way across America. We started in Nashville, went to Austin, Denver, Colorado, New York, Boston, Worcester, Massachusetts. The efforts to get this ball on aircraft and just basically lying to US security and customs that it's the only World Cup ball ever made for France 2023. And as you know, Americans, they believe anything. What was really nice about taking this ball over to the States, just engaging the US public. Not many knew that the World Cup is going there in 2031, and we got a chance to spend time in each city with the stakeholders in those towns and venues that are likely to be hosts.
Thanks to everyone that's been in touch, asking questions about kit. We know you love the stash. So we thought it'd be helpful just to come on and give you a little bit of information about the kit pack that you're going to get for the World Cup packages in France. As you know, some of these games are 9 o'clock kickoffs, so as we come out the stadium afterwards, it's going to be a little bit chilly. So we're going to put in a long sleeve top for those of you on the longer packages. And those of you on a triple package, i.e. 17 nights, will also have some country-specific items. However, we won't be giving you an England shirt, a Wales shirt, an Ireland shirt or a Scotland shirt. So please do, if you'd like to, go ahead and buy your nation's jersey in advance. Those of you on the Wales triple and those on the England triple will also get the opportunity to show your colours. A nice red one for the Welsh and a white one for the English. You'll be pleased to know you won't have to listen to me on the stage. We're going to be joined by Welsh legend broadcaster Ross Harris for our Welsh opportunities, and down in Marseille and Nice, ex-international Tom May will be supporting us, joined by a range of special guests at our Lapero events.
Well, hopefully this second episode has given you a little bit of information on our event series, on the clothing you're going to wear, the excitement of just moving around France for 3-4 weeks or however long you're there. We also mentioned there's another little surprise as well in your goodie bags, but I'm not going to tell you what that is.
How would I wear my beret? I was wearing it pretty straight.
Oh.
Hi.
So there we have it. That's episode 2 of La Première Ligne. Episode 3, you won't be surprised to know, comes from France. Content from our trips to all over the country, including Nice, Marseille, Bayonne, Bordeaux, Nantes, Lyon, Lille, and of course, France's capital, Paris. Look forward to episode 3. See you soon.